Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a record listing, and how to operate on it. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Let's go to Transaction Listing to try out the listing function. For example, Sales Order. In this listing page, the records shown like a table, and each column titles are fixed on the top of table. At the end of the title bar, there is a gear icon, to control the column show or hide. Let me show the operation. Click the gear icon. And then, the page shows available column fields. Check it to show, or uncheck it to hide. After complete, click Save to apply the setting. The list will reflash with hiding and showing setting. Also, each column title is able to resize, dragging and sorting. For example, if the data in the column is too narrow, you can move the mouse on the column title. The split line will be shown, to let you resize the column. Simple like that. Sometimes, the order sequence of columns may not good for view. You can click and hold the column title, then drag it into your best position. Addition, when you click the column, that column data will be sorted in alphabetical order. Click the column again, the column data will be sorted reversely. In the data listing, some of column data had a magnifier. It is a fast filter icon, and based on this data to filter off the unmatched record in the list. After click, the icon becomes a trash bin icon. Click the trash bin icon to deactivate the filter option. OK, go back to the top of the list. Here is a general search input box. You can input anything you want to search to narrow down the record of the below list. Unmatched records will be filtered out, and highlight the matched records in orange color. On the next of search box, an additional searching options have hidden in the gear icon. Click the gear icon to open more search options, such as delivery date, due date, product code, status, and approval status. For example, when input the product code, shirt, in here, the list will instant apply the searching input, and narrow down the result. On the first of column, it is a stage column. It will show all status of record. For example, the green icon means the record is on approved status. So, try to change the status of approval, to narrow down the record by approval status. On the left-hand side, that is a date range filter. You can filter the list by a preset date range or custom range. The next is a general option of listing. The rows per page is to change the number of records shown on each page. For example, show 10 records per page. And the next is print, to print the list to the printer or PDF output. And the next is export to CSV. The CSV is a plain text of Excel format. You can export the list data and view it in Excel. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.